very often I have questions posed to me through internet inquiries or in-person consults as to how long will it take to get a divorce in Georgia? And the answer is it depends. In the ideal situation where the two parties, husband and wife, have been able to reach an agreement as to all the terms of their divorce, how they're going to go their separate ways, not just physically but legally, who's taking what responsibility for what item, vehicles, household goods, debts. If these matters can be worked out between the two adult parties at an early stage, then Georgia only requires, at the time of filing, a mere 31 days before that divorce can be granted. This is what's called an uncontested divorce. And I get many inquiries about uncontested divorces, and uncontested divorce, I mean, the key element is that the parties have to have formed an agreement. Now, you don't have to go out and buy a legal pad and write out these things in some kind of legal way before you go and approach an attorney. But you need to have a good faith basis to believe that you and your spouse have actually formed an agreement. If children are involved regarding custody and visitation, that you have an idea of what child support is going to be required in Georgia. And this is what's called an uncontested divorce, that you're forming an agreement on the front end with a view towards an attorney putting it in legal form and filing that divorce on your behalf with the clerk of court. And then from the date that the uncontested divorce is filed, 31 days later, a Superior Court judge in Georgia can approve that divorce. Now, it doesn't often shake out that the judge signs it literally on the 31st day, but usually within a number of business days following that 31st day, we're going to be able to have retrieve a final judgment decree of divorce on your behalf and get you your copy, and you'll be divorced.